Hey, we are at the Kalba Conservation Area in Sharjah Emirate. Let's go and find it out.
Big way when I'm walking, pray when I'm talking next to you. Fight for my attention, for your ascension, you must prove it. 'Cause if you can find it, you don't confine it, you let it move. Big way for the genie, scream for the dream may come into. Have you ever played with a queen?
Hey guys, this is Khor Kalba Conservation Center. We just got the tickets and we are about to enter and see the conservation. It's in Kalba of Sharjah Emirates. Let's go and check it out.
I can show you what I mean. I can make you feel free. I got you in another league. Can you meet me on my level? Oh baby, is your rain over?
They are taking us in a buggy and it's a free ride. Interesting, isn't it? So let's see what's in there. Come with me on this beautiful journey. Cheers.
Can you battle with the devil? Oh baby, is the game over?
Hey, guess where are we? We are at a conservation area. We are about to begin this journey. So it's a beautiful ecosystem and we are going to explore some marine life and some birds and lots of greenery around, and let's see what's in there. So follow me, and we got the tickets. It's only 15 dirhams. So it's quite nice a deal, I believe, and let's go and see more. So looks like it's a viewpoint. Let's check what's the view all about.
Have you ever played with a queen? I can show you what I mean. I can make you feel free. I got you in another league. Can you meet me on my level? Oh baby, is your rain over?
So this is a conservation area. Like I said before, it is very important, very crucial for carbon. We are looking at the positive sides and the qualities of this mangroves and the conservation area. And as this one says, it has a large amount of carbon storage, and it's also an environmental protection area.
Game over.
very sad to know that these are the garbage found in the stomach of dead turtles. So it is high time that we do not throw any kind of garbage in the environment and protect it and preserve it at any cost. They have shown it very beautifully how they have recovered the sand dunes and the mangroves here. It's really remarkable.
Big way when I'm walking, pray when I'm talking this to you. Fight for my attention, for your ascension, you must prove it. 'Cause if you can find it, you don't confine it, you let it move. Make way for the genie, scream for the dream me coming through. Have you ever played with a queen? I can show you what I mean. I can make you feel free. The game over.
Guys, I'm making this video to spread as much awareness as possible. Here we are at the Conservation Centre. It's very playing a major role in carbon capture and environmental protection. This is a mangrove area and they are helpful in biodiversity and the natural protection. So just like this initiative where I'm sitting right now, I want to tell each one of you to take care of Mother Earth and Mother Nature. Do not throw any garbage in any kind of environment, and let's take an initiative to clean the seas, to clean our ecological systems, because these are very crucial for our survival. So let's do it together. It is a high time for us to understand the cause and effect that we play on our Mother Earth and Mother Nature. Guys, protect the nature, protect Mother Earth, and it's our responsibility as humans to take care of our environment. So let's do it.